Hello, everyone. Claudia McGilkey here with Gulf Coast Luxury Real Estate, powered by Epique. And I'm here with Dan Robb from DR Horton. Hello, Dan.
Hi, Claudia. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Dan's going to tell him a little bit about himself and what DR Horton here has to offer.
Absolutely. So I'm Dan Robb with DR Horton. I'm one of the top agents here at DR Horton. And I'm on the west side. So Pensacola West is from Avalon Boulevard over to Beulah, Perdido, downtown. We're at beautiful Lakes of Woodbine. You can kind of see in the background, we have this large pool, we have a clubhouse, we have a gym, we have a splash pad, playground. We're going to have 4 pickleball courts here.
Oh, this is going to be great.
Exactly. So it's very unique to Pensacola. So
you won't have to go anywhere. You can just stay here and call this a staycation.
That's right. And that's kind of what I say is you have a resort in your community. I actually just posted a picture and some video that it's a perfect place to come down just to have a cup of coffee or go to the gym in the morning.
Right. And DR Horton is one of the only communities, builder that actually has all these communities.
Yeah, like I said, this is just unique to Pensacola. There are some other communities out there, older communities that have pools and maybe a gym, but nothing as substantial as this. So it is very exciting. It's a larger community.
Right.
So for our buyers out there, they're buying early in the community. So typically, builders increase their pricing as we build. So it's a good way to gain, I call it forced equity.
Right, which is really wonderful because a lot of people, in the first year that I've gone ahead and done business, they've made, close to $50,000 to $100,000. When we go ahead and either whether they sell or look back at what they have, and if they want to go ahead and take it out and go ahead and put a pool in their backyard or whatever, they have all that extra money.
That's right. So and again, it depends on the market. So we've seen some good days, and it's kind of been flat, in the last kind of year. But hopefully, the interest rates are coming down, and that means prices are going up. So, but it is kind of nice to get in early. To any new construction community.
Definitely.
So
tell us about some of the incentives that you have to offer.
I was going to mention that.
Yay!
So we are currently we have interest rates as low as 3.99 on select inventory. We also have 4.25 interest rates as low as 4.25 interest rates for October. These are for government loans. So USD, DA, VA, FHA, and then we have a 4.99 for conventional.
Nice.
So really, it's up to the buyers to kind of tell you and the other realtors that what their budget is, what their location is, and that will help us narrow down the perfect communities, perfect homes to show them that fit their lifestyle.
Right.
So,
well, wonderful. So listen, if you're interested in looking at one of these DR Horton homes or anything, feel free to go ahead and call Claudia at 485-0353 or call Dan
850-619-2480.
Mention the color purple, and I've got an incentive for you. Be on the lookout for a video. I'm going to do some videos of the subdivision and of the clubhouse as well. Thank you so much for watching.